Gustar doesn't mean to like, it means to be pleasing, okay? And this is why people make this mistake of saying yo gusto instead of the correct thing, which is me gusta. And people have heard of me gusta and they just memorized that. But the way that you might have thought about it is that me means I and gusta means like. So me gusta means I like. But that's completely wrong, okay? And this is why people mess up with Spanish logic and Spanish, sentence structures. The verb to like in Spanish does not exist. There's no such thing. Likewise, there's no such thing as to stay in Spanish. There's no such verb, okay? Even if school taught you that there was, right? Because it's an easy sort of translation to make. But it's not accurate and it makes you make mistake. And so if the definition breaks, then it's not a correct definition, is it? Right? And so gustar isn't to like, it's to be pleasing, okay? And so when in Spanish, if you want to say I like it, in Spanish, you'd actually say it is pleasing to me. And that's what me gusta means. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.